Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warwick Hill TV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warwick Hill TV. Keep it locked.
Now, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this. Yes, I. Greetings once again in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. And all things that's good. Seen? Welcome all viewers and subscribers. Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it help grow the platform. See? You want to say, and I reason with John Donovan the other day. Ras Mackay. Yeah, check out Ras Mackay YouTube channel. You know, see. And then Ras Mackay reason the other day. Ras Mackay show I say. If, you know, we're all reasoning about the whole disaster we face the world and things like that. And I say, why Babylon not just go so book and lock down the world for 10 days then? Since it's a 10 day thing and thing blow off and gone. Yeah, because I know everybody in the world suffer that. And even prepare for that if it's a solution, if it's a way forward and things like that. You know, see, when I think about it, when I say, you know, I don't feel like, say, poor people don't have much, you know, opposition towards that. You see, in a lot of cases, them don't go through that already, forcefully too. You see, without even any farmer, no plan behind it and a strategic process whatsoever. You know, see, so if you always sit down with people who are reasoning them and show them, so watch out. If after 10 days this thing will blow off, you know, see, you go in a quarantine for 10 days and it blow off, you can go around again and you're good again. You know, see. Might as well, if everybody do it, if everybody build back and do it, you know, one time. What you feel about? I don't feel like that thing that can't do about no more. You know, see, rather than we go around on a beach round and you know, it's like we're not sure what will happen. The expert them not sure. Nobody not sure what will be the next move with the whole thing what go on. So I say, one bag of uncertainty. You know, see, I might as well just make some sort of sacrifice where it look like nobody not prepared. Well, the authorities them not prepared for make. You know, see, and you have to wonder why. Because little by little them die support people year by year in a region by region and say, you know, lockdown measures and them type of thing there. You know, see, why some region, it don't work, because when you see how the whole thing set, it not really, it doesn't look like it can stop, it has stopped nothing. You know, see, the process of a time more serious. You know, see, more, yeah, according to how Babylon make it set. See, so may I say, if it's set so then, and I prepare people for a 5-day period, I prepare everybody and say 5-day notice, and I say, yo, get up when you can get up, and we'll give whatever assistance we can give as well. You know, see, just worry about grocery and them sort of thing. They worry about food and basic right here. And not like cut off. You know, see, and them little thing there. Prepare for a 10-day lockdown. You know, see it seriously, because at the end of the day, it benefit everybody. So everybody ensure say it work. You know, see, yeah, and no intermingling and things like that. You can talk to your neighbor, everybody staying at them yard and talk next door. Particularly all our climate like Jamaica where it warm and nice. You know, see, people them know so them ration where them have for a while. You know, see, when we observe the thing, it look like, you know, what? All the people them would have lost at the big corporation them. See, because them not prepared for sacrifice 10 days. What a loss. You know, see it. For make that happen. You know, see it. And it look like them wouldn't wait 10 days neither before them even probably try trick you until they say, oh, it gone. All of a sudden it gone. And run gone out the back, gone walk. Forget no back out to go walk. You know, see it. Because them not prepared for lose that. It's an observation where I and the general, you know, Ras Mackay, a whole. And I say, but wait, you know, it's possible. You see it? Yeah, granted you go have a certain sector of the population where have out there and I monitor certain things, emergency wise and all them good things. You know what I say? But even so, them can out there and moving out, quarantine, man and neither. Nah, still not intermingle. You see it? An individual go in, go do what you have to do and, you know, clean off and another one go in and plus everybody are already dressed a certain way where they prevent certain things. You see it? You know, it's a thing. It's a thought. We are look man. That's the only people who would lose that and wouldn't be interested in that after all the struggling and the uncertainty and the terror. You see, because it's terrifying. This whole thing here. You see it? Yes, Rasta. Terrifying, man, for a lot of people. You see it? You see it? So, you know, somewhere along the line, something have to give. You know, see, that 10-day sacrifice is a worthwhile risk, given the seriousness of the situation according to the popular narrative. You see it? You see it? All of that require some serious measures. The popular narrative requires some serious measures. They were, you know, I drag them foot all around and I go out with them safe car. You know, see. Yeah. You know. And probably within 5 days, them find some way to test the atmosphere and find the whole thing gone. Because they're not prepared to lose so much money. Probably 2 days too. You know, see it. You know, see it. Because when I see Prime Minister Boris Johnson employees them keep party in a office in a Christmas and him a claim say him don't know nothing about it. You know, see it, and the wickedest thing about it, you know, is where the people them we are talk about the party where them keep, them a do a mock press conference, you know, like a practice for when the press, if the press asks them about the conference, and them couldn't keep a straight face in the mock press conference, you know, the whole group of them where they, you know, a play reporter and a play press release person. Yeah, well, a straight face, the whole of them just a giggling and hold them face and a roll over and a laughing. And I tell you about belly creasing, laughing. You know, so the party that was meant to be a party was not a party, it was a business meeting. Giggle. And we only had cheese and wine. Giggle. And, you know, it was all rules were observed except the social distancing rule. Official, what them name the press agent, Prime Minister press agent. You don't see it. And some other minister and them sort of people, they sit down there and do a mock press conference in a restaurant and somebody video it secretly and release it on the TV. Bail off them and laugh after poor people, you know. Bail laugh. Them people are laugh after poor people. So it's like them obviously know something we don't know. You see it. Them confident in what them do, how them do it and all. Yeah, the way them do it, Rasta, I tell you, say, you wonder how the world so naive this time and so susceptible to smile and classism. You see it? Because at the end of the day, if me say that to one of my somebody in my class, if me ever give them sort of reaction there, yeah, for not maintaining a certain level of responsibility in my class and my community, then where me exist based on my status. You see, I mean, I would be ostracized. I would be enemized and things like that. You see, but when me observe ghetto people where them things affect the most. Poor people, because England is full of ghetto too, no matter about the street you put with a little, daisy path. A skipper go up to the castle, I'm telling you that, see, when you observe most ghetto people and ghetto youth and things like that, or them just chill back and just laugh like, yeah, at the same, the same attitude, at the same thing going on in Jamaica too. All the people deal with politics, the expectation and what level of consequence and what the representation too. Representation them, the representative them too. See, representatives too. Cause at the end of the day, them just demoralized. See, them not have a great belief and hopes in politics, not true, for real, cause at the same thing like what our prime minister, what would have all our politicians them at Jamaica would have do to our people anyway. Come like just a season for politicians be blatant and bright with them portrayal a corruption. See, this is the judgment of naivety where them have towards poor people. See that towards ghetto people, them can do them sort of something there. I tell you, it's a disgrace. It's a crime disgrace. See it. But what's more, why I feel what's more disgraceful is the acceptance where common people get it and love it for acting, constantly over and over. I know. But you never know, it's still fresh still, see it, and that one is big because the whole, the whole crisis is a serious thing to consider, take into consideration, see, and people have always been considering the stress and the struggle we put them through, and say the people them where I instruct them to go through certain things and uphold certain principles, they themselves now go through the things that when them go through, obviously. Now are they upholding the principles, the same principles them when them put on the people them, when them demand of the people them, where the people them humbly apply themselves to as well. See, and sit back and see the reaction and the reflection or the examples from the peoples who were meant to be leaders in the society. I mean, it's demoralizing, see. And like I say, it's still fresh. And on the back of that, there's the argument of a new variant and thing like that, and new rules, or the old rules are about to be reapplied as well and thing like that. And poor people as them know it, and evidence just come out say the people them who apply the rule is not abiding by the rules. So I don't know how them will take this round of lockdown and them type of thing there. I have to just observe it and hope for the best same way, because it's there has never been any much level of clarity with certain people's actions as far as this thing is concerned. So the leaders have developed a supremacy type of attitude whereby them not see themselves accountable either. See, and even if they are called to accountabilities like based on like the consequence of the action is like, as of them said the consequence anyway. See, so they are not threatened by being yeah. So that's the thing the Rasta